Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
Navarros from Navarros Detailing right here in Hawaiian Gardens, California. And we're about to detail this 2017 Porsche Macon. And we're going to do a simple hand wash, spray wax, get it all popping. So on this 2017 Porsche Macon, we're doing a really simple 2 steps. We're hand washing with my favorite soap, Mr. Pink by Chemical Guys. My favorite soap right there, that's my go-to. And we're hitting with this really easy spray wax by Chemical Guys. Gets kicking, gets the paint popping a little bit more, getting more shiny.
13. Thirteen.
People don't use our music to get high. They use our music to get by. Break!
Alright, so he just got a little smudge from something, either paint or something. So we're just gonna take this little piece of clay bar and get it off right now. So put some soap for some lubricant. Come right off. Shit don't come off. This is chemical guys, blazing banana spray wax. It's just a little quick detail, quick spray wax. Gets like the paint all glossy, gets it looking nice. Got down on this 2017 Porsche Macon. Really simple steps. Alright, what we used on this car, we did a Mr. Pink Chemical Guys soap, shampoo. Best soap I've used, my go-to soap. This blazing banana spray wax. This little quick spray wax gets the car glossing, gets it shining. And this clay bar just to get a few little scratches out of the car. And we also use this OG clay bar by Chemical Guys. Gets the paint real smooth, gets all those little scratches out. And these are all products by Chemical Guys. Tradition, lifestyle. You can find all these products at chemicalguys.com or Detail Garage, Los Angeles and Gardena, California. What's up, Robert Navarro, Navarros Detailing. We just got down on this 2017 Porsche Macon. We did two very simple steps. We hit it with the hand wash and a spray wax to get that gloss shining and that paint shining like a mirror. You can find me at Navarros Detailing on Instagram at Navarros Detailing, NAVAROS.DETAILING. That's a wrap. Six Sense Productions.
Boom.
Welcome to the Six Sense Foundation.
What's up, Robert Navarro from Navarros Detailing. We're gonna hit it with a simple hand wash and spray wax. Get the paint popping.